welcome back. This is Zach Shelley with Washington First Mortgage. When you're purchasing a house, there's three factors that the underwriters are going to evaluate you on. That's your income, that's your asset, and your credit scores. The assets being down payment. But what we're going to talk about today is your credit score and what goes into that. There's three different credit bureaus. There's TransUnion, there's Equifax, and there's Experian. You get three different scores. What the underwriter is going to do is they're going to take the mid score. It doesn't go off the average. If you have two 700s and a 680, your score's 700. If you have a 700, 699, 680, or 699. What goes into that is these percentages here. Payment history, available credit, length of history, type of credit, credit inquiries. 35% is your payment history. That's your on-time payment of your credit cards, your car loans, and whatnot. You start missing payments, your credit score is going to be drastically affected. 35% factor. Available credit, that's your credit balance versus how much you owe. Once your balance starts going over 30% of your high credit limit, your score is going to drop. So if you have a $30,000 limit, you want to keep your balance below $10,000, and so on and so forth. Length of history, that's how long you've had credit. If you're 18, you got credit when you're 18 years old, you're 28 years old now, 10 years of credit history, that's amazing. You don't want to close those old cards even if you're not using them, because 15% of your credit's based on the length of history. The longer the history, the stronger your credit score. Type of credit. Installments, mortgages, auto loans, then you got your visas, and you got your consumer credit. In that order, that's the importance that they're going to be measured. Your installment loans are going to have more value. That comprises 10%, and so on and so forth. You've got your credit inquiries. That's your last 10%. That's if people are pulling your credit. You start going all over town looking for visas, MasterCards, consumer debt. That's going to drop your score and have an adverse effect. These are the factors that go into credit history. If you'd like to talk more about it, give me a call, Zach Shelley, 206-877-3739. If you're suffering in any of these areas, I can definitely help you maximize your score. Once again, 206-877-3739. Thank you very much.